Good evening, guys. For tonight's dinner, I'm going to show you how to make a dish that I always prepare whenever Nicolos' classmates are here. For dinner, for a project, or for whatever reason. They say they love this dish so much and want to know how to make it. So tonight I'm going to show you how to make Dr. J's sweet and sour pork. So here are the ingredients. The pork, beaten eggs, potato starch, flour, garlic, onion, green bell pepper, pineapple, sesame seeds. For the sweet and sour sauce, we have honey, we have light soy sauce. I prefer to use light soy sauce, less sodium. I also prefer to use the white vinegar, and then tomato paste, and then cornstarch slurry, and brown sugar. So we'll start off with the pork. We're going to combine the cornstarch and the flour, and then put the pork in the cornstarch and the flour combination, and then dip it in the beaten egg, and then back to the flour combination, and then fry them. Okay? We'll go with that. Now we're going to mix the starch and the flour. Then, again, flour mixture first, then the egg, then back into the flour mixture, we're going to fry each piece until it's golden brown, and then we're going to take it off the pan after that. There's such a lot of worlds to see. We're after. So once the pork became golden brown, we took it out, we threw away the oil, and we cleaned the pan. Now we're going to put the garlic, the onions, going to stir fry for a few seconds, and then the bell pepper, and then the pineapple with a little sauce. And then our sauce. The sauce that we combined a while ago. Our sweet and sour sauce. We're going to increase the heat a little to let it simmer, to let it boil and then simmer, until the flavor gets into the pork. We'll see if we need to put the cornstarch slurry. My son was against this, but I usually sing when I cook, so I'm going to do that. Just a few notes. Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, darling, kiss me. This is actually done once more, except for the eating and well, oh wait, I'm gonna put the toasted sesame seeds later as I serve it. The sauce is thick enough, so I don't need to put the cornstarch slurry. It smells good. breaker, So here it is, Dr. J's Sweet and Sour Pork. This is the recipe that Nicolas' classmates and friends have been asking for. So I gave in to your request. In my previous videos, I was wearing a mask. And quite a few friends asked me why I was wearing a mask. So I told them it was a statement. I was making a statement on the importance of wearing a mask. But some of them said, perhaps next time, get rid of the mask, because the audio was a little bit garbled. Some of my words were not clearly heard because of the mask. For those who've been sending me private messages after my first video, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Some of you were asking for easier recipes. I was flattered by a classmate who said his son wanted her to make the exact recipe that I did, and even asked her to watch the recipe. Guys, just keep on sending your requests. I'll try to make what you ask for. Okay? So please, I wanna thank my son, my director, my videographer. Please click and subscribe to Dr. J's Recipes. By the way, I have another YouTube channel, Dr. J on everything. Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you. Dinner time. God bless and protect all of you. See you next time. Thanks.